Hello, welcome to ManagementYogi. I am Satyanarayan Das. I am a CIPSA and a CHAM. CIPSA stands for Certified in Practical Scaled Agile. CHAM stands for Certified Hybrid Agile Master Professional. These two are unique certifications offered by ManagementYogi. In fact, worldwide, there are a number of CIPSA as well as CHAMs. In this video, we are going to learn four metaphors used in the CIPSA Scrum framework. CIPSA is the world's only practical scaled agile certification. Not only that, it also supports two frameworks. That is, you can take the team level Scrum and can scale it. You can also take team level Kanban and can scale it. So it supports both. As I said earlier, here it is with respect to the four metaphors used in the CIPSA Scrum framework. Metaphors are important because they set the mindset for the CIPSA Scrum team, which is a Scrum team at scale. The mindset has to be different when you go for scaling. Because at a team level, you have few team members, few dependencies or risks and issues. But when you go for scale, a number of parameters will be different. Mindset helps you to go for the right scaling. Mindset helps you to do the scaling in a proper way. So let us see the four metaphors used in the CIPSA Scrum framework. The four metaphors used are Ninja, Guide, Mastermind, and Patron. First is Ninja. The developers in the CIPSA Scrum team are ninjas. A ninja is a top class implementer. He or she is classically stealthy and highly skilled. Give a ninja a task and be assured that the work will get done. This skilled executor focuses on delivering high quality work. So this person is highly skilled and also stealthy, and you do not have to second guess here. That is why the metaphor used is ninja. Having said that, I would also like to emphasize in Agile, we are not looking for specialists. We are looking for generalizing specialists. In other words, we are not looking for I-shaped skill set. That is only specialization with respect to one skill. But we are looking for T-shaped skill sets. That is, the person is specialized in one skill. In addition, there is also a number of generalization. Next to Ninja, we have Guide. The guide is the principal Scrum Master, or you can say the principal Scrum Master is the guide. This person is always available to the CIPSA Scrum team. This person helps the CIPSA Scrum team members solve cross-team problems, issues, and impediments. In addition, the guide champions Agile values and principles and ensures the team continuously improves. So this person can be also called as the coach and is helping the team, sharing his or her experience, celebrating the team's growth, ensuring the team improves. Not only that, the person is also following or championing Agile values and principles. In the Agile manifesto, there are 4 values and 12 principles. Not all 4 values or principles can be scaled. Taking an example from the Agile manifesto, one of the principles is this. Face-to-face interaction is the most effective form of communication, which is correct. But how will you scale when your team is big and spread across different time zones across continents? It is not possible. But there are a number of solutions. And this is the job of the guide or the coach to provide those solutions at the same time championing the values and principles. Next is Mastermind. The chief product owner is the mastermind. In this role, the mastermind is the chief strategist, thinking ahead about the items to be added to the product backlog. So this person is thinking ahead. The mastermind is a visionary who steers the product direction and backlog prioritization. The mastermind owns the product backlog. They know what are the items that to be or those to be added to the product backlog. They know in which direction the backlog has to go. They own the product goal as well, which will be part of the product backlog. And that is why the metaphor used here is mastermind. Next to that is patron. The sponsor is the patron. The patron is the one who supports the product delivery and remains continuously invested. This person secures resources and organizational support. The patron also champions the initiative at the executive level. So this person is bringing in all the resources, human resources, financial resources, equipment resources, asset resources, facility related resources, other resources as and when needed. And that is why the metaphor is patron. And this person is the most influential supporter for the product or service to be delivered by the CIPSA Scrum team. This person is championing the product and service to be delivered at the executive level, that is the C-suite level, because they need to know what is going on with this product or service being delivered. Having said that, also I would like to tell you that in some organization, the role of mastermind and the patron will be the same, because the chief product owner will be the direct sponsor for the product or service being delivered. In some other organization, the patron role will be different. In such a case, the patron will be very closely associated with the CIPSA Scrum team, but not directly part of the CIPSA Scrum team. The CIPSA framework talks about only two key roles for Scrum at scale. That is, the chief product owner and the principal Scrum master. These are the two roles I have explained because the CIPSA framework is very simple and very lightweight, but very powerful framework. So these are the four metaphors that we have for the CIPSA Scrum framework. And as I said earlier, metaphors set the mindset. Coming back, you will be thinking, how about the CIPSA Kanban framework? Because in the beginning, I said the CIPSA Kanban framework supports team level Kanban because CIPSA supports both. Does the Kanban framework also have metaphors? Your thinking is correct. There are metaphors in the CIPSA Kanban framework, but those will be different because Scrum is a different approach, Kanban is a different approach. They are not same. Many mistakenly think Kanban and Scrum are same with some here and there differences. They are very different. So the way you implement Kanban at scale will be different compared to the way you implement Scrum at scale. And that is why the metaphors will be different. The details with respect to those metaphors will be part of the CIPSA certification course. If you are serious to know scaling in a hands-on practical manner, you want to build with your own hands, then the CIPSA certification is for you. In addition, I have also published an article related to the four metaphors used in the CIPSA Scrum framework. Both the details with respect to the CIPSA certification and the article being published are available at ManagementYogi. The links for those articles and the links for the CIPSA certification course are available in the video description notes below. Click on those links to know more. As you go to managementyogi.com, do not forget to subscribe to ManagementYogi. The subscription is completely free of cost, but you will get a large number of benefits when you subscribe. Also, I would recommend that you subscribe to the video channel of ManagementYogi so that you are notified of the new videos. Before closing up on this video, let us do a recap with respect to the metaphors that we learned. So the metaphors are ninja, guide, mastermind, and patron. That is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.